Hi there, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something absolutely essential: protein. As a functional nutritionist, I don't just look at protein as a gym goer's tool. I see it as a foundational nutrient that supports hormones, immunity, skin health, mood, and so much more. So, whether you are plant-based, flexitarian, or meat-loving, this will help you understand what protein really does in your body, and how to get enough of it through foods you actually enjoy. What is protein and why it matters? Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks of nearly every structure and system in your body. From repairing tissues to producing enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, and even supporting your immune cells, protein plays a role in it all. There are 20 amino acids, and 9 of them are considered essential, meaning your body can't make them on its own. You must get them through your diet. The rest are non-essential or conditionally essential, meaning your body can usually make them unless you're under stress or sick. Without enough quality protein, your body can't properly repair itself, regulate mood, maintain muscle, or recover from stress or illness. So, signs like frequent fatigue, slow healing, sugar cravings, or thinning hair might be early clues of inadequate protein even if you're eating regularly. How much protein do you really need? Now, here's where people get confused. The standard recommendation is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. But that's the minimum to prevent deficiency, not the optimal amount for thriving. In functional nutrition, we often recommend: if you're moderately active, you may need 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kg. If you're over 60, pregnant, recovering from illness, or doing regular strength training, 1.6 to 2.0 grams per kg can be ideal. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, your protein needs might range from 84 to 140 grams per day, depending on your lifestyle, activity level, and goals. But it's not just how much, it's also about quality and timing. Complete versus incomplete proteins. In functional nutrition, we also talk a lot about protein quality. A complete protein has all 9 essential amino acids in the right ratios. These are mostly found in animal products, meat, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt, and cheese. To few plant sources like quinoa, tofu, tempeh, and soya milk. Incomplete proteins lack one or more essential amino acids. Most other plant-based proteins such as lentils, oats, chickpeas, or nuts are incomplete, but that doesn't mean they're inferior. When eaten in variety, or paired smartly like beans with brown rice, or wholemeal toast with hummus, you can create a complete amino acid profile. In many Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diets, for example, these combinations happen naturally and are incredibly nourishing. What does protein actually do? Let's step beyond muscles for a moment. Protein helps build and repair skin, gut lining, hair, and nails. Supports hormone production, especially insulin, thyroid hormones, and growth factors. Powers your immune system. Most antibodies and immune cells are protein-based. Produces neurotransmitters, things like serotonin and dopamine that affect mood, sleep, and focus. Aids in detoxification. Your liver needs certain amino acids to neutralize and excrete toxins. In short, protein is involved in almost every biological process in the body. This is why in functional nutrition, we increase protein intake for people dealing with stress, burnout, gut issues, autoimmune conditions, or recovering from surgery. Best protein sources. Let's go through some high-quality options you'll likely find in your local grocery store or farmer's market. Animal-based options. Free-range eggs, one of the most complete, versatile, and affordable proteins. Grass-fed beef or lamb, higher in iron, zinc, and omega-3s. Wild-caught salmon, mackerel, or sardines, protein plus anti-inflammatory fats. Chicken or turkey breast, lean and easy to digest. Greek-style yogurt, higher in protein than regular yogurt. Cheese, especially hard cheeses like cheddar or Parmesan, great in moderation. Plant-based options. Red lentils, split peas, chickpeas, excellent in soups, curries, or salads and contain fiber. Tofu and tempeh, all complete protein from soy. Quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth, contain a complete amino acid profile. Pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, great added to porridge or smoothies. Oats and wholemeal bread, not high in protein alone, but useful as part of combinations. And don't forget protein powders. Pea, rice, or hemp protein are brilliant for shakes or baking if you're on the go. Each source comes with its own nutrient profile, and variety is key to covering all your bases. Timing, digestion, and smart tips. To maximize your protein intake, absorption, and muscle protein synthesis. Aim to spread your protein intake throughout the day, not just dinner. Try adding 20 to 30 g per meal depending on your needs. After workouts, a fast-digesting protein source like a smoothie with protein powder can support recovery. Include protein in breakfast. Try adding scrambled eggs, Greek yogurt with seeds, or a smoothie with protein powder. If you snack, go for protein-rich options, boiled eggs, cottage cheese, roasted chickpeas, or nut butter on oat cakes. Digestion matters too. If you feel bloated or heavy after protein meals, your body may need digestive support. Enzymes like protease or adding a little apple cider vinegar before meals can help. Chewing thoroughly and avoiding too much liquid with meals can also improve breakdown. What's the takeaway today? Protein isn't just fuel, it's information. Every bite you eat tells your body what to do. So, by giving it enough of the right proteins, at the right times, in the right forms, you can support your energy, mood, skin, muscle, and longevity. Whether you're a meat eater, plant-based, or somewhere in between, protein is your ally. It's not about perfection, it's about intention. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please share it with someone in your circle. And remember, your health is personal, and protein is one of the most powerful tools you can use to feel strong and thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you in our next video.